The three pillars of mental fitness are essential practices that can significantly enhance overall well-being. These pillars are mental flexibility, mindfulness, and resilience. Understanding and utilizing these concepts can lead to a healthier, happier, and more connected life. The three pillars. Mental flexibility. Mental flexibility refers to the ability to adapt your thoughts and behaviors in response to changing circumstances. This adaptability is crucial for overcoming challenges and avoiding being stuck in negative thought patterns. To cultivate mental flexibility, one can practice recognizing when rigid thinking occurs and consciously shift to a more open mindset, such as replacing "I can't" with "maybe I can." Mindfulness. Mindfulness involves being fully present in the moment and accepting your thoughts and feelings without judgment. This practice can help manage stress and anxiety by grounding you in the here and now. Techniques such as the 5-4-3-2-1 grounding exercise can enhance mindfulness. This technique encourages individuals to identify 5 things they see, 4 they can feel, 3 they can hear, 2 they can smell, and 1 they can taste, thus promoting awareness and reducing mental clutter. Resilience. Resilience is the capacity to recover from difficulties and adapt to adversity. Building resilience involves learning from challenges and maintaining a growth mindset, which allows individuals to view hardships as opportunities for growth rather than insurmountable obstacles. Techniques for fostering resilience include reframing negative experiences and focusing on lessons learned from difficult situations. How to utilize the pillars. 1. Practice mental flexibility. Engage in activities that challenge your usual way of thinking. This could include trying new experiences or reflecting on past situations where a shift in perspective led to positive outcomes. 2. Incorporate mindfulness techniques. Dedicate time each day to mindfulness practices such as meditation or grounding exercises. This can help reduce anxiety and improve emotional regulation. 3. Build resilience. Reflect on past challenges and identify what you learned from them. Set small, achievable goals to gradually strengthen your ability to bounce back from setbacks. By actively engaging with these 3 pillars, individuals can enhance their mental fitness, leading to a more fulfilling and connected life. Prioritizing mental health as a vital aspect of overall wellness is essential for achieving long-term happiness and well-being.